Good day, guys. If you want to forecast possible price movement directly on your chart, the projection drawing tools in TradingView help you map future paths visually. And here's how to use them. So as said in this little tutorial, we just need to go ahead and open up our charts, and the projection tool is right over here. So let us navigate, go to Products, Supercharts, and on this left pane, as you can see, here we can find all of our tools, including our projection tool. Alright, and to use the tool, we need to go here onto this little icon where we have our long, short positions, forecasts, etc. And there's going to be this projection button. Also, you can star it to be able to add it to favorites and use it later easily from the interface. Now, let us open it up, click on projection, and now we just need to place it somewhere like this and make this kind of a round little line. And you can also click on the starting point, usually a support or resistance level, and this visually shows where you think price might move. And also you can go ahead and drag the anchor points to adjust direction, for example the top one or the bottom one, and also you can extend it, as you can see, and increase its length. You can also modify the stop levels or targets if you're using long or short position tools. Also, you can customize the settings. Just go ahead and right click on it. And in here you can, as you can see, go to the settings of your projection, and you can customize it to your liking. And then just save the layout. It's saved automatically, or you can just save it. If you disable it, you can just save it in a manual manner. And that's how you use projection tools in TradingView to visualize trade ideas and plan setups more clearly. Enjoy, guys. If this helped, don't forget to support the channel by liking the video and subscribing.